Good morning, guys. I promised I would show everybody what it looked like in the light. It's 16 degrees. I'm standing on about 4 feet of snow. We got altogether 7 feet. Got the generator going. We had to keep it going all night. I want to show you my house. This is very upsetting. Very upsetting. It's a beautiful morning. Absolutely beautiful morning. That's the snow on my house. It's approximately 4 feet on the house. I'm going to try and walk out here and we are absolutely cut off. Our whole town is cut off. The snow is past my boots. I can't even... I can't even get out here to show you the road. Here's my son's excavator. He worked all day yesterday clearing. We still have no power. There's my car. And even though today is a nice day, more's coming in tomorrow. We heard huge things falling last night. It shook the house. But around here, this area right here, everything seems to be okay. We couldn't get out last night. Both doors were blocked. We had to have help getting out. Both doors were completely blocked. And I kind of panicked a little bit. Beautiful, beautiful blue sky. I can't get back in here. We don't even know if our chickens and stuff are alive. Not one word out of them. Not one. Oh God. I can't get up. Oh, I can't get up. I can't get out. Right here, I'm stuck. The snow's taller than me. I'm trying to get out here, guys. I can't get back here. I can't get any farther. I sunk all the way to my waist. Oh, okay, so I was going to try and show you other things. I can't make it that far. This is the roof of our barn right here. I hear the rooster, but I don't know if it's ours. It might be my son's. I can't get back in there to see. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Well, I can't get anywhere to show you anything, guys. It's just too deep. And I'm going to get away from this. I can show you up here. I'm standing on the stairs. What's left of them. Okay, I'll try and show you more. I'm gonna try to get, we gotta get a plow in here, the excavator in here. Okay, good morning, guys. I got out here real early before Steve got up, and I dug out the garage so we can get it open, the barn, so we could get the door open. This is bad. Okay, so now he's trying to get this off before it kills us. He says we got about 6.5 feet. And we're going to be busting our butt today because Saturday, starting Saturday, there's 3 more days of snow. So we are hauling butt today, big time. We can't get to the chickens. We can't get to anything except right here. And if we slowly start be able to get the plow out, maybe we can just do a little bit at a time. The snow's so deep, our sons can't make it out of their cabin, so they have to work their way to get even out of their cabins. I don't know if I can even show you our road because it's so deep. I keep sinking up past my waist. Oh God. So this is as far as I venture. It's so darn deep. That's our only neighbor over there. Thank God we lost no trees last night. And it's a beautiful sunny day. Look at this crap. Seriously? It's beautiful, beautiful blue sky. So we are going to be working our tired rears off. We can't get past our back door to go towards our animals. I can see their coops out the window. They have about 6 to 7 feet of snow on the top, but none of them are smashed. As of right now, none of them are smashed. Okay, this is where the grandkids were sledding. Don't think that's going to be happening today. All right, guys, I will keep you posted, but we made it through the night. The roof didn't cave in. Oh, gosh. Unbelievable. Seriously. Can we catch a break up here? God bless America. Any minute now, Chinese spies are going to be parachuting onto our property. That's just par for the course. You guys have no clue how much snow we got. Well, Steve measured 6'8" is what we got. The areas that look like about 4 feet, that's where we plowed. Now I'm going to try to get the hell out of the... I can't do anything in the coop. I got the doors open. That's the best I can do. Oh, come on. Oh. Hold on, guys. Try and stay with me. So this is the pergola. It's 8 feet tall, and I'm touching the roof. Now, how the hell do I get out of here? Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is 8 feet tall. And here's my hand right there. Oh, shoot. Here comes the wind. We got the beast out. Thank you, Brian. We broke the Jeep trying to get out. The brake fluid froze and transfer case froze. So now if we can just get up into town, get some diesel, we can get the excavator going and try and get some of this cleared out before Saturday, because there's another storm coming back in on Saturday. Well, for 3 days. It's supposed to come back for 3 days. So we got this all done here. Okay. Oh, shoot. Here comes the wind. We got the beast out. Thank you, Brian. We broke the Jeep trying to get out. The brake fluid froze and transfer case froze. So now if we can just get up into town, get some diesel, we can get the excavator going and try and get some of this cleared out before Saturday, because there's another storm coming back in on Saturday. Well, for 3 days. It's supposed to come back for 3 days. So we got this all done here. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm going to wind up the video. This is my back door. I can't get out. Let me see if I can show you a little more without... So he got the quad out. We managed to get to the chickens. We do have blue sky. That's a plus. So this is a hell of a lot of snow. We got 6 feet 8 inches. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we have another 4 to 7 feet coming. And I'm not very happy. So I'm going inside. I'm having some hot cocoa. I'm going to sit down because I fell and I hurt my back. But we did get to the store with the beast. Got diesel. The gas stations are running out, and they're running out of propane. Look at this. This is my, I can't believe this is my back door. See, guys, this is my back door. This is as far as I can go. I can't walk out here. But we can go out the front now. So I have a huge pot of soup on. I made rolls on the fireplace. And now all my men are helping neighbors, which is wonderful. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Be safe, because this storm is heading east, people. Peace out. Have a cool day.